Well, hello everyone, Happy Richard here. Thanks for joining me. Just came up to check on the bees that I transferred to the orchard a few weeks ago. They're doing pretty well. Coming down into the orchard though, looked up at my swarm trap and we have bees coming in and out of it. So got my good friend Kirk there behind the camera. He was with me up this week because we've been doing some turkey hunting, and said, boy, there must be a swarm here somewhere. Can you look around and see if you see anything? He turns over, looks at the apple tree next to us and goes, yeah, right there it is. So they're just over here about probably 20 yards from the hive that I have here up in this tree. This is going to be an easy one, folks, but first swarm of 2023, so I'm pretty excited about it and excited that I can share it with you as well. Pretty decent sized swarm right here. So I'm probably going to shake them down into like a blue tote and see if I can locate the queen. If I can locate the queen, I'm going to put her in a cage, get the rest of them in a box, and hopefully they'll stay. And let's get this done. All right. Okay, so I got my blue tote here. I'm going to try to gently bring them down into the tote, see if I can locate the queen. Now, we haven't got into these hives over here yet, so I have no idea if this is a swarm from one of my hives or maybe a feral swarm from somewhere else, but at this point, it really doesn't matter. If it's a feral swarm, I gained a colony. If it's one of my colonies that swarmed, I didn't lose them, so I consider that a win. Let's see what we can do here. Where's your mama at, girls? I don't think we've got her yet. They got me that time. Yeah, they're marching out of there. I'm not so sure. Oh, there she is. Right there she is. Nope, I lost her. The way they're going, I'm thinking they're probably, I don't know where she is. Maybe I didn't get her. Just gonna go ahead and shake the rest of these in here. Transfer them to a box and we'll, hopefully they'll all come in. Let's go get the box. All right, get this box over here. Get the bees in there and hopefully they'll follow the queen in. We should know pretty quickly if she's in here. We'll take some of these frames out of here. Shake them in. Lined up like that. All right, girls, your new home's here. Let's go on in here. Got all drawn comb here for him. Hope that's not a mistake. I'm not sure, but we're going to try it. Put this lid back on, and if she's in here, they should start fanning at that entrance and going in. Let's see what's happening here. Well, looks like they're scurrying in. Got a bunch on the entrance there. Looks like they got their hind ends up with the nasal glands exposed, so see, there's ones here on the top here. That got me. All right. Yeah, I'd definitely say she's in there. I got these dumped out here, and they're all marching right up into there. So I'm pretty sure the queen's probably in there. Yeah. They should march in here. That's a big swarm. As you can see, most of the bees did go in. Unfortunately, my phone died at that point, so we weren't able to finish the video. We came back the next day, and they do look like they're doing fairly well here. Yeah, girl, get out of here, please. They are moving in here. Looks like they're doing orientation flights and things. So, yeah, looks like we got our first swarm of 2023. So I appreciate you watching. I'd really like it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you could. That'd be great. And as always, thanks for joining. Happy Richard.